Namaste. Class 9th Mathematics NCERT syllabus. Chapter number 2 Polynomials. Article number 2.3 Zeros of a polynomial. Consider the polynomial p of x equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. If we replace x by 1, everywhere in p of x we get. So p of 1, x plus 1 anta haki equal to 5 into x is 1 to the power of 3 minus 2 into x is 1 whole square plus 3 into x is 1 minus 2. So 1 cube is 1, 5 into 1 is 5, minus 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 3 ones are 3, minus 2. So first add positive numbers, 5 plus 3 is 8, okay, 8. Next after that add negative numbers, minus 2 is minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4 is the answer. So we say that the value of p of x at x equal to 1 is 4. Similarly, put x equal to 0. P of 0 equal to 5 into x is 0 whole cube minus 2 x is 0 whole square plus 3 into x is 0 minus 2. So 0 into any number is 0. So first term, second term, third term cancel agtade. Minus 2 is the answer. Can you find the p of minus 1? Yes, of course. So p of minus 1 anna find out madbeku. Adaitala. So p of minus 1, x place ige minus 1 haki equal to 5 minus 1 whole cube minus 2 x is minus 1 whole square plus 3 into x is minus 1 minus 2. Okay. Next equal to il minus 1 ide alla to the power alli 3 ide odd number. 3 is the odd number. Minus 1 anna 3 times baradre minus 1 ne barodu. Okay. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 minus 1 whole square is plus. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. Plus into minus is minus. 3 ones are 3 minus 2. So add all these numbers. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. Minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12. So p of minus 1 is minus 12 is the answer. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು p of minus 1 equal to 5 into minus 1 whole cube minus 2 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 minus 2 equal to minus 12. Okay. So notebook. Zeros of a polynomials. First point, the zeros of the polynomial p of x are the solution of the equation p of x equal to 0. So zeros of a polynomials anta heladre p of x idiyalla polynomial is 0 barbeku. First point. Second point, the number of zeros of a polynomial can be more than 1 irbeku. Number of zeros of a polynomial can be more than 1. Third point, a linear polynomial has one and only one zero. So a linear polynomial has one and only 0. Next, fourth, the zero of a polynomial may be 0. Fifth point, it is not necessary that the zero of a polynomial is 0. Okay. Example 1, f of x equal to x square minus x minus 2. At x equal to 2, so 2 haki f of 2 equal to 2 square minus 2 minus 2. So 2 square is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So therefore f of 2 is 0. Example 2. P of x equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. So at x equal to minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1. So P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 square minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. So minus 1 square is minus 1 plus 1 is. Okay, plus 1 agate. Because 2 is even number. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Minus minus plus. 3 ones are 3. So this is minus 4. So 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 4. Plus 4 minus 4, 0. So P of minus 1 is 0. Here the value of the polynomials are equal to 0. For given values of the variables, these given values of the variables are called zeros of the polynomials. Here, the value of the polynomials are equal to 0 for given values of the variables. These given values of the variables are called zeros of the polynomials. Therefore, 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. F of x equal to x square minus x minus 2. Minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. P of x equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Andre 0 of the polynomial andre ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ polynomial 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್, if P of x is a polynomial and k is any real number such that P of k equal to 0, then k is called as 0 of the polynomial P of x. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ P of x equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅವಾಗ x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 of the polynomial P of x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ x ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ k ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so is any real number, k is any real number, then k is called as 0 of the polynomial P of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. P of k or P of x. Example, zeros of the polynomial ಇವಾಗ f of x equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 are 2 and 3 because f of 2 equal to 0. 2 substitution ಮಾಡಿ, 2 square is 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, minus 5 2s are 10 plus 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 10 minus 10 is 0. And 3 substitution ಮಾಡಿ, 3 square is 9 minus 5 3s are 15 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 15 minus 15 is 0. So f of 3 is 0. Okay, ಅಂದರೆ 0 of the polynomial ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ polynomial ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, polynomial any polynomial is 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಅದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.